how to update payment method on YouTube TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your payment method on YouTube TV. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to update your payment method on YouTube TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. If you are on a computer, click your profile picture and select settings, then go to billing. Step 2. Click update next to payment method to see your current form of payment, change your form of payment, or add a new one. Step 3. View your order history and click view next to any charge to see more details. Step 4. If you are on an Android device, tap on your profile photo, then tap settings and go to billing. Step 5. Tap payment method or update to review, change, or add a new form of payment. Step 6. You can also view your order history and select any charge to see more details. So that's how you can update your payment method on YouTube TV. That's all for this video.